Hi, it's Martin W. Ball here, your Kangen water guy. Today talking about the K8 mineral additive. Seems to be that a few people are clicking on the button by mistake and getting confused as to what to do. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly what happens and how to fix that issue that you may experience. So right now we've got our Kangen water. If I turn the tap on, what we're going to notice is the Kangen water is going to pour 9.5. Oh, happy days. So there we go, there's the water. So let's turn that off right now. This tends to happen when people are doing the e-clean that they press the mineral additive. However, if you press setting and then you go down right to the bottom, it says mineral additive. Now, if we press yes, what we're actually saying is the source water that is entering the ionizer does not have a mineral in it. And you can get a mineral additive from Enagic, especially for your K8 and the other units, that you can plug into the K8 and it will charge the water, because for ionization or electrolysis to take place, there must be a mineral in the source water. So if you don't have minerals in your source water, Enagic give you this option, and therefore you would come down to the mineral additive and press yes. If you happen to by accident press this and you go back, watch what happens. Turn the water on. Please install the mineral solution tank. If I turn that off, you can clearly see here that it's freaking out because there's no mineral tank in there. So what we need to do if we do this by accident is we need to press setting, we need to scroll all the way to the bottom, mineral additive, and press no. Go back out to the home and then turn the water on. And Kangen water 9.5 flows beautifully and quietly. So that's just something to be aware of with the mineral additive. Contact your local Enagic office if you need it, because your ionizer isn't charging the water because of no minerals in the water. If you're unsure how to test for that, I'll also drop the link to my video which talks you through how to test that the ionizer is producing the water. Thank you so much for your time. As always, look forward to seeing your comments below and educating you further. Have a great day and bye for now. Enjoying my YouTube channel? Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to receive further value.